What up, YouTube? We are back with another video. Today we're going to be going over Bitcoin right now, and how the fact that I hate that every single high and low of the move happens at between 5 and 6 in the morning my time. I love it. So anyways, yeah, as we were talking about yesterday, we were down here and we were talking about how the team was longing these areas, and congratulations to those who were in the live stream with us. And when I say live stream, I mean in here. Max is always here, Fax is here, Ocean's there, I'm there from time to time. Right now Bitcoin isn't really doing much of anything, but anyways, so there was that long right there. So congratulations to those who were with us and got that about 4% trade right there. I'm pretty sure a lot of us had our take profits above these highs, because that is like, if that's not a double top, then Jesus, I don't know what is. But that is possible, right? That we are forming this M pattern, right? So you have this, boom. So you could have this breakdown right here, and then what that would mean is that we would be looking for something like so, right? Bam, something like that. But that would put us at around 31,470 if that ended up playing out, and that's just like, you know, random targets and stuff like that. And also too, really big shout outs to everybody who has been trading along with us here. You guys, as you guys can see here, we have had some people that are part of the Neo's ideas, the supporters. They were able to get, you know, 6.5% on this trade possibly, and depending upon where you entered, and then this trade netted you around like 5.6%. Then there's some other trades, I just haven't updated this one yet right here, but this is basically calling for the trade to the upside. So which was right here. So let's just calculate that right there. So that's 4% on this trade to the upside, and then there's obviously this trade that we were talking about in the group to the downside. That's 4%, and then up another 4%, and then yeah, again 5 o'clock in the morning. Again, we were live trading all of this stuff. We just didn't put it up in here because sometimes we forget to post our charts because everything's live. And yeah, shorted this high. And so now we're down 3%. So yeah, it's pretty damn strong in the community right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at what it is that we are seeing right now. Well, so I'm gonna be honest, I forgot where we left off, but yeah, we went over the W pattern or the M pattern, and it could be dropping down to the levels that we were just talking about. And let's go to the upside. You know, for these swing failure patterns that have just been happening over and 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 over again, we got to be looking at 35,400 basically, and then right below this, you know, we still have this area to be looking out for possible swing failure patterns as well, from all these little lows that we have going on in the 5 minutes. So I know we have to kind of question, and then you know, where are the levels that we're going to be looking at when we get down here? Well, since I do these videos basically on a daily basis, you know, we'll handle that when it gets there. But if you kind of want to know the levels ahead of time, that's when you jump over to the Discord, join us in the live trading, and also in order to get access to the Neo's ideas, you go ahead and sign up to Bybit using my information down below. So all you're going to do is just go down here, the Discord's here, the Bybit is right here. You can get up to $600 for free as well. Then if you have questions about signing up, like, hey, I already have an account, hey, I don't know how to use Bybit, hey, whatever, your questions are answered here. And also to my altcoin channel is right there as well. So let's go ahead and go to the 1 hour and look at these types of things here. And so yeah, we're doing exactly what I was saying that we're going to do, which is we're really starting to coil up here. And so on the 1 hour, we could have a bit of an explosion here pretty soon. Because look, even right here, when they start to get really close, you have an explosion. When they get right here, you have an explosion right here. I mean, they've been riding on each other's ass the entire time here. So it's possible that we end up, you know, just smashing to the upside, or smashing to the, and by smashing I mean, you know, coming all the way down to the 30,000-ish range, and then possibly coming all the way up to like the 38,000, 37,500 range as well. So that's what that's looking like. We're just kind of also going sideways back and forth with the 1 hour RSI. And let's go to the 4 hour and let's take a look here. Yep, we've got these are coiling up as well. We still have the 200 acting as a pretty strong resistance. The Bollinger Bands are getting tighter as well. So I think all the EMAs are just basically coiling up. Oh yeah, let's take a look at the RSI real quick too. Yeah, we're just going sideways too here. And the daily, the daily is actually looking for that possibility of like the bearish cross. You do not want the bearish death cross to happen on the daily. I think it will happen if we even keep going sideways. It will have to happen eventually, but that's looking mighty dangerous, mighty dangerous. Because yeah, I think I don't think they have it here because there was no bear market on the bybit chart, but we did have it here during the Corona dump, and then that lasted but that was a Corona dump. The other bear market over here that we went into, I don't have the data on that for bybit, but you guys know how it went. We came up, we had the blast off top, and then the bear market just kept going and going and going. So I mean, 20k, 15k possibly, but I personally think that would be good if we came all the way down there and did something like this or whatever, because then look at all of this fuel that we would have to absolutely skyrocket us if we got out of that bull market and we came all the way down to like 15 or 10k or whatever it is. Do you know how many short stops would be taken right here? It would have so much, because all of this fuel right here was just everybody just buying, because the previous all-time high was like 20k or something, right? So all of this is just people buying into the levels. There's no shorts really to take necessarily, but here, oh my god, it would just be so lovely. There would literally be no stop to the 100k, literally. So I would really want it actually to come all the way down there. But anyways, I'm getting it kind of off topic. So yeah, join us over on the whatever this is called, the Discord. Join us over on bybit. I got all that stuff down below. I'll catch you next time.